Have you ever thought that when we share our things with someone, how much fun it can be? And when we help someone, how happy it can make them feel? So come on kids, today we are going to listen to a fun and lovely story about a little rabbit whose name is Chintu and who loves carrots very much. Carrots! In a beautiful, calm and green forest where the golden morning sunlight peeked through the trees, there lived a small, very cute rabbit whose name was Chintu. Chintu had a very innocent heart and he loved carrots more than anything in the world. Every morning, when the cool breeze blew gently and the birds chirped sweetly, Chintu, with a big smile on his face, would hop happily to his garden and say, "Yay, my yummy carrots!" But one morning something strange happened. When Chintu, just like every day, happily hopped into his garden, he suddenly stopped. His smile slowly faded away and his face filled with surprise. He looked here and there as if searching for something. He just couldn't understand what had happened. There was not a single carrot there. "Oh no, where are my carrots?" Chintu said, looking around in shock. His ears slowly drooped down and his eyes filled with sadness. After thinking for a while, Chintu decided to ask his friends for help. Slowly hopping step by step, he went to his dear friend Mittu the parrot. Mittu was sitting on a high tree branch, gently flapping his wings. Chintu looked up and called him in a soft, sad voice. "Mittu, did you see my carrots?" Chintu asked quietly. Mittu flapped his wings and said, "No, Chintu, but I did see someone orange near your garden." Now Chintu became even more worried. Just then he met his wise friend Bholu the turtle. Chintu started walking slowly beside him and said, "Bholu, all my carrots are missing." Bholu smiled calmly, nodded his head and said, "Don't worry, Chintu, we will find out together." Soon Mittu also joined them and the three friends began walking together. As they walked, suddenly they heard something. The bushes nearby started moving. All three of them stopped. Chintu's ears stood straight. Mittu tilted his head curiously and Bholu also stopped and looked carefully. Slowly, very slowly, Chintu stepped closer to the bush and then they saw a fox. The fox was sitting quietly and eating carrots, but it didn't look scary. It looked very hungry and tired. Chintu gently asked, "Foxy, did you take my carrots?" The fox looked up. There was sadness in its eyes. "I'm sorry, Chintu. I was very hungry. I had nothing to eat." Chintu stayed quiet for a moment. Then a sweet smile appeared on his face. "It's okay, Foxy," he said kindly, "but next time, please ask me." The fox's eyes sparkled with happiness. "Really? Thank you, Chintu." From that day on, everything changed. Chintu, Mittu, Bholu and Foxy all became good friends. They sat together, laughed and played and shared carrots happily. And that day Chintu learned something very special, that true kindness and sharing from the heart not only brings smiles to others but also fills our own hearts with happiness.